Dear friends, today we shall study a poem, The Rebel, by D.J. Enright. A person who always disagrees with one or the others is called rebel. This poem has been composed by the famous British poet and novelist of the 20th century. This poem tells us the nature of a rebel who does just opposite of what others do. The poet says that it is dangerous, but at the same time it is good because it is rebel who comes with the new ideas. In the present poem, we find that the rebel always just does opposite of what everyone thinks that they should do. Now the poem starts. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. The rebel allows his hair to grow long when he finds that everybody has short hair. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. This is the nature of the rebel. Just does opposite of what everyone thinks he should do. Third stanza. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word in the classroom. He remains quite silent. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. This is the nature of the rebel. When everybody wears a uniform while going to the school, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. The rebel dresses himself in the gorgeous dresses while going to school. Why? Because he wants to do just opposite of what others do. He wants to show himself as different from others. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, gorgeous dresses, wonderful dresses, while going to market or fair, at that time the rebel dresses soberly. At that time, while going to market or fair, he dresses himself in uniform. If any person goes to market or to the fair in uniform, he will look like different, and this is what he wants to show himself. In the company of dog lovers, there are many persons who love dog and they have the choice for the dogs. The rebel expresses a preference. Preference means choice for cats. No, dogs are not goods. We must keep as pets the cats. In the company of cat lovers, if all the persons love the cat, to keep them as their pets, the rebel puts in a good word. Then puts in a good word means gives a good remark for dogs. No, we should not have the cats as pets. We must have the dogs as our pets. This is how he wants to show himself as different from others. When everybody is praising the sun, no, the sun is shining very brightly and all are in happy mood. The rebel remarks on the need for rain. Then the rebel will say, no, we need some rain shower for our fields. Just opposite. When everybody is getting the rain, when everybody welcomes the rain and they all are happy, the farmers enjoy themselves, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Then the rebel expresses sorrow. Oh, we are unable to see the sun and for the absence of sun, the rebel regrets, the rebel expresses his sorrow. This is the nature of the rebel. When everybody goes to the meeting, some persons meet together for some decision, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. At that time, he will read a book. And when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So whom he will find in the meeting? No one. In the meeting, he will be all alone. And in the party or anywhere, when everybody says, yes, please, the rebel says, no, thank you. If all the persons want something in the party, the rebel will say, no, thank you. I don't need any. When everybody says, no, thank you, the rebel says, yes, please give me something. It is very good that we have rebels. It is very good that we have rebels because the rebels come with some new ideas. So there must be rebel in our society. But many persons like you, they don't want to take any risk to be called as a rebel. You may not find it very good to be one. Any person doesn't want to be called as rebel. He doesn't want to take any type of risk. But the rebel always takes the risk. He always just does opposite. So in this way, we find that the rebel always disagrees with one or the others. We find the habit and behavior of a rebel. In every case, he likes to do just opposite of everything. In this way, you find that this poem is very funny and interesting to children. Thank you very much.